Today we're going to draw a dinosaur, and these are the colors that I'll be using for my dinosaur. Okay, so I'm going to draw a Brontosaurus. It happens to be my favorite dinosaur. So the head is not that big. Small circle for the head. Okay, it has a long neck. So here we go. And it has short legs. So there's my first leg. It has a large body. Okay. And I'm going to join this. And this is my tail. I'm going to start shading in my Brontosaurus. Okay, we'll add another leg here. And another one here. Okay. And then after, I'm going to blend it with all those nice different colors. Dinosaurs actually were different colors. There were shades of purple, orange, red, yellow. They weren't necessarily all green or brown or gray. So they did have nice little shades of colors, different colors. Okay, this is just my little outline here of my Brontosaurus. I'm going to just add big eyes. I'll just put one big eye here and a nice smile. So it's sort of like a little cartoon. And a little 2 dots for the nose here. Okay. So I'm going to continue coloring and the body. Here we go. Now there's so many different types of dinosaurs. There's the T-Rex dinosaur. I'm just going to make the head a little bigger. The great thing about drawing is that you can adjust your picture, your shape, with your pencil crayons, okay? So I just made the head a little bigger. Okay. Just want to add some more of this nice green shade, and then I'll have fun with my other colors. And here I'll make this the same size as that other foot. Okay. Now I'm going to start blending in some of the other colors. Okay, so I'm just going to add little shades of it. I'm going to use a bit of red. Okay, just go over this part. Now we are lucky to know about dinosaurs with all the fossils that have been found. On all 7 continents they found dinosaur fossils, so that's pretty interesting. That's amazing. And there are 700 known species of extinct dinosaurs. Okay, I think I put enough red here. I'm going to add some more of this nice orange. So the Brontosaurus, they are herbivores. That means they eat plants. So they use their long necks to eat all of the plants off of the tall trees. Okay, I'm going to add some yellow. Put some green at the bottom here. Just going to fix the little shape here. Let's not forget the face here. A happy dinosaur. And just go over it with all of these nice blended colors. If you want, with black, you can draw little claws. Okay, just a little going over here, a little shadow. A little bit more of dark shadow here. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow around here. All these nice colors, blended colors. Okay, all right, so I hope you enjoyed the session on drawing a dinosaur. I made a Brontosaurus, but you can create your own style of dinosaur. Okay, until next time. Bye-bye.